Hi everybody. This is what we have seen now here at Calwood on the east part of the property. This is the way it looks now. This used to be our Mica Mine campsite, and this is what is left. It was a trailer that we had here with all the camping gear, and now it's all gone. The forest here is really beat up. There'll be a lot of restoration to do here. Some areas we have 100% mortality.
Our staff reported the Calwood fire on Saturday, October 17th. More than half of Calwood's beautiful 1,200-acre mountaintop burned. While the buildings may have survived, Calwood's pristine ponderosa pine forest, our outdoor classroom, has been badly damaged and will need extensive repair and restoration, from planting trees to rebuilding bridges.
It was so fast that it burned just the grass, the dry grass that is on top, but the roots are still there. So places like this in the spring is going to be beautiful, green, full of flowers, and we're not going to see a lot of sign of this fire.
This gives us hope that soon we will be able to share our beautiful land again with our community, and that our outdoor education programming will connect thousands of youth and families with the Colorado mountains again. We are still assessing the damage and our future volunteer needs, but we know that restoration and recovery will be a long road. Calwood needs our community's support to survive. Please donate today.